Yo, what's up guys and welcome back to Juicy Rock 2. And this time it's not Juicy Rock, it's BBC. Yup, I'm gonna prove to him that I'm gonna do better than him. I'm gonna play Subway Surfers better. Yeah. Guys, like and subscribe. Yeah, that so you could be awesome. So you could be a Juicy Rocker. Yup. So, basically, like he said, Pablo is teaching me. Yup, that's the case. Come on, you're not the fat baby here. I'm the fat baby. Jeez. Oh yeah, guys. You remember the video about well, I forgot what the video is called. But my mom said I'm on the diet. No, I'm not. She just saying that so she could like embarrass me. Because I embarrassed her so many times. Well, I guess it's not embarrassing. I guess it's just like pranking her and humiliating her. But, yeah. Hey guys, one question. Why are there floating coins? I know Juicy Rock asked this question also. But there are coins. Yeah. They're like floating coins. They're like coins everywhere. I mean, did somebody drop them or something? Or I just don't get some of this game. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, go check out Juicy Rock where you can see my Baby Steve episodes, the original Juicy Rock, and go subscribe to that too. Please subscribe, and please subscribe to this. My begging always works. Well, maybe not, but hopefully it'll work. So please, guys, just do it. Do it! Why are you not gonna do it? Do it! Okay, you probably did it, you probably didn't. We'll never know. Okay. Okay, so, I guess I'm just gonna do this, right? Oh yeah, by the way, what does that 2 times star mean? I don't get what that means. Whoa! Oh, come on, I didn't even see that coming. You got me there. Darn it. Well, I think it means like the 2 times star thingy means the upward speed. Oh yay! Freshest stereo. Collect 38 more to unlock fresh. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot, I have another mystery box. And it's Spike's guitar. Collect 195 more to unlock Spike. Yeah. Is that ever gonna happen, guys? I don't think so. To the sky! I will fly! Oh, how's it going, guys? Man, I'm feeling so hyped right now. Man, I can't wait for my next episode. It's not really a spoiler alert, but it's gonna be called Jinxed. Yup, that's what it's gonna be called. So yeah, don't forget on Sundays in Juicy Rock, go check that out, okay? Okay. They're really funny. I'm the class clown of the show. Well, maybe sometimes. I don't know. But yes. Okay, so there's a bouncy shoe there, and there's something there. Ooh. Oh, again, that 2 times star. Oh my gosh. Blee, blee, blue, blue. That's what I always say. When I wanna like, swear, instead I say blee blee blue blue. That's what you guys could do. When I get so mad, I say blee blee blue blue. It's a way to how to not get mad all the time. Seriously, guys, use that strategy. Like, so you don't get in trouble from your parents and be like, you just said a bad word. You're like, no, I just said blee blee blue blue. It's not a bad word, bro. Jeez, when am I gonna die? I'm so good at this game. And you guys are like, I know, right? Collecting coins that are on top of trains. And not even surfing on subway, which I'm about to... Oh, come on. I have 0 hoverboards? You kidding me? So I can't surf. Dang it. Time out. I think somebody's knocking.